Good morning. We're in Haugesund. Can never remember the name, how to pronounce this, but we're there today anyway. And you can, I don't know whether you can see there's a hop on, hop off bus there, and there's a little railway, road railway there, like a train type thing. And we're going to head off over to the church, which I think is there, like we did before. So we're going to get off. Unfortunately, the weather today here is forecast rain with 100% chance of it. So there's no getting out of it today. So I've got umbrellas. I've got my waterproof jacket, but I have got a waterproof sack liner to go over my bag so that you don't get wet. So you're the most important thing. But yes, it's going to be a good day exploring today. We're going to be back on board by 3:30. It was supposed to be 4:30, but because of the wind, the captain said we have to be on board an hour before our usual time. So quite a few of the trips got cancelled. I think there was 3 different trips got cancelled. In that case, they'll give people their money back who've obviously booked with P&O. This is one of the reasons why I think if I was going to do a trip, I probably would do a trip with P&O, because if anything happens, you just get your money straight back, and there's never been an issue with that. If they cancel the trips, you get your money straight back. So there's a lot to be said with booking trips with P&O, although they are more expensive than if you book them direct. So let's get off the ship and go and explore. So we just got off the shuttle bus. We just got off the shuttle bus, which is the bus there. The shuttle bus cost £7.32 in our money. Drops you off by the church that you can see from the cruise ship. If you were to get a hop on, hop off, the cruise ship is there in the distance. If you were to get a hop on, hop off bus, it would be £40 each approximately. And if you were to get the little train, it was about £26 each approximately. Because there's 6 of us, the only option was really the bus there. To walk in would take 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. So we're going to go and have a look inside the noisy church. Oh, that's better. There's people dressed up. I think do you want to go and have a look in a couple of shops or not? They've got a souvenir shop, I think, up here. Okie doke, we just walked down then and down to the water and then back up. Yeah. Being a Sunday, not everything is open, and last time we came here was a Sunday as well. Yeah. Yeah, the museum is only open on a Thursday from what I can remember. There was a couple of souvenir shops. None of them want to go in and do any shopping, so we'll just go to the water's edge and have a walk up and down by the water and then go back, I think. So having a look in here, coffee is 56. There. 56. So if 100 is £7, about 3.50. That's not too bad. A lot better than just around the corner. I think it said coffee was 780, which is obviously 60 odd pounds. So I'm not sure I got that right. But you never know, it is expensive in Norway. And when people come off the cruise ships, they'll just find a bar or restaurant sometimes and go in and not understand how much they're paying. Coffee's £3 in that one.
Huh?
Yeah.
How much?
£3.
That wasn't bad.
No, it's not. That's not bad. Better than 56 or however much it was. Yeah, normally, yeah. This one's in English.
Menu. Fried shrimp.
So 100 again is £7.32. So that's
Burger and fries, that isn't chicken fries.
That's about £10.50 for a kid's meal.
How was that £3 in there then, Chris?
Where's the drinks then? Is there drinks in there? Or all food in there, isn't it?
Carlsberg.
Brew, Kroner extra, what you got in there?
Yeah, I can't see how much the coffees are. Sharing platter.
No coffee on it, is there?
No.
Tea?
Can't see it.
Kroner.
So Carlsberg is 125 for a pint, or 74 for half. So 74 would be around £6.50.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for half.
for half. If my calculations are correct. That was a little train, land train, that cost £26 each. I think we did that last time. So my last video of this place. Indian restaurant there. So we've just walked all the way down there, and then if you want to walk back, you go back across that bridge then to go back to the cruise ship. We seem to have lost a Pandy and an anti-mauve. Pandy and an AM. Oh, I can see them right in the distance. March. Quite cold and windy here. So the others don't want to hang around for long, they want to go back to the cruise ship. Let's go and check these prices, because I read it as a coffee. It's a ridiculous amount. No, I'm reading, what I was reading was the number. So it wasn't that expensive. So let's have a look. So down here, a coffee is actually 57, which is about £3.80, I think. I read it as 720, but that's the number. So £3.80. Right, I read it wrong. 720 was the menu number, so it was 57, so it's about £3.50 for a coffee in there. Yeah. Yeah, that's right, that's right. It's not as expensive as I thought. I'm glad I went to check that. So again, there's the ship, and then you come off the ship there, and there is the sightseeing buses, and the train also parks, the land train also parks over there. And right in front of you is the visitor centre where you get in the tickets, you buy the tickets inside for the shuttle bus, which is then over there. So that's where everything is, and the town is right behind, like over from there. To get back on now, you have to go through security and show our boarding. It's Pandy, show our boarding cards. But you can't say it's a pretty port, but it is a pretty village. I think we came back the right time. We came back about 11:30. And there was no queues at all. It's now 12:30. Sadly, it's still raining quite heavily, but the queue to get on the ship is all the way back there. And there's still people making their way back and arriving now. So they've got to queue up in the rain to get back on board the ship. We've opened up the balconies in between, by the way. So we've got a really long balcony. There's Pandy.
Hello!
We asked the steward to open that for us.
We'll come in, we'll come in.
Yeah. Yeah.
Lane, is it? Oh my god. Oh, the ship. Well, glad we come back when we did.
Yeah.
We're going to go for dinner now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Come on.
Let's get there before they can.